Did you clap hands, Joseph? Yeah? You clap hands. Abby, where are you going?
Abby.
Abby, show Joseph your clap hands. Maybe he's very busy. Abby, do clap hands. Clap hands. No?
Joseph.
Abby's going for the mirror. Does he talk a lot?
He babbles, yeah. When he's really tired, he speaks a completely different language.
He's behind me. You like that blue one, Abby. You can see Mommy's camera. I see
See
you.
you later. Look at her go.
Yeah, I know what you're going for. Those are things that you can't have. It's not for you.
Joe, you're still over there, buddy? You haven't moved since, Abby. Abby, what do you have? What do you have there?
New one. You like that one. This is for you.
Joe,
You want your bottle?
you having fun, buddy?
You have water downstairs, right?
Yeah.